In front of me is Blackshark Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Now to activate it, use gray switcher at the top right corner, and to go back, tap on this arrow at the top left one. Now let's use it. Copy or cut any text, and obviously to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. But to paste it later on, you can select Clipboard. If you can't see it here, use this button at the top left corner of your keyboard and then click on it. And now you can either click on your clip to paste it, or hold it and select Paste from the pop-up. From the same pop-up, you can select Edit if you want to make any changes in your clip. Hit Save. And you can also hold it to delete it. You can always delete it by swiping it to the left or to the right. Now, if you want to paste your clip after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it again and this time select Pin. You can unpin it the same way. To delete or pin multiple things at once, use this button of a pen at the top right corner. Click on your clips and tap on Pin or Delete buttons. Last but not least, to disable Clipboard fully, use the same switcher as before. If you want to manage any of Clipboard settings you can see here, you can always click on the gear icon at the top of your keyboard and select Clipboard section under voice typing to enable or disable all of those options thanks to all of those switchers. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!